Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So finally breaking news that finally TCS next phase result has been out. So those candidates who have given exam on 9th, 10th, 11th and 13th or 14th April must check your mail whether you got the mail or not. So students from various regions are getting the mail, such as from Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Pune and other regions students are getting the mail. We thank you for your interest in TCS career opportunity and for participating in TCS test process conducted recently. Based on your test performance, you are further request to complete your application form by accessing the TCS Next Step portal with your registered TCS reference ID. So your reference ID will be there. That this is the confirmations of you will be having interviews soon. Now remember friends, those students who got the mail, first of all congratulations, and you have to fill the form by the stipulated time. They have clearly mentioned that kindly ensure that all required details are filled in accurately as per relevant and respective documents and submitted within 3 days from the mail receipt date. Please note that submission of the application is mandatory for further processing of your candidature. In case of any query or technical difficulties, please send an email to ilpsupport@tcs.com. Okay, so various candidates are students getting the interview mail. Must comment here whether you got the mail or not, and congratulations those who have got the mail. Now just one more steps are there, so just follow. And if you want to study your mock interview, then also fill the form. They'll provide you complete guidance, help you to clear the interview. Now talking a little bit more things about the selection category, that selection किस basis पे हो रहा है. तो students who have done at least one coding questions well and have done pretty much well in aptitude and numerical and means advanced, then they are getting the things. Okay, this related to recent interview experience also I have already made and uploaded the video related to that, and about the OOPS pillars, Infinite Loop, Spring MVC architecture. Means whatever the things, the points you are mentioning in your resume, they gonna ask you a question from all that. Okay, and must go through the HR questions. Okay, so just go through the link in the description. I have provided all the material free of cost for your interview. Just best of luck and try to give your best and be positive and have a good communications, okay, skill. So those who haven't got the admit card, don't worry, you will get the admit card soon. And students also, those who missed the exam, they are getting the mail. Okay, so I think TCS have a good hiring, so this is a good thing. So I will suggest everyone apply as soon as possible. Okay, means if you have missed the exam, and best of luck those who have exam related to the coding questions. And if you want to get all those stuff, I have already uploaded free preparation material and also video on our YouTube channel, so you can just go through that and you can go through the previous question shift, because that will be really helpful for you. And the important point that I want to tell friends, those who have interview further, don't mention any single point in resume which you don't have idea. एक पॉइंट आप अच्छे से लिखिए, UPS कंसेप्ट को अच्छे से करके जाइए. प्रोजेक्ट्स यू शुड बी गो थ्रू thoroughly, and the main things you should be aware of latest technology like AI, ML, cloud computing and other stuff. So okay, just go through all those stuff, that will be really helpful for you. And again saying friends, must go through our video related to the coding questions and the interview experience, because through interview experience only you will get clarity that at what level of the question they are asking and how you gonna answer them. Especially HR question will play a critical role. Okay, so if you will be selected, then you will further get the congratulation mail and just these all things. So just prepare all those and comment here your reason and when you have given exam, so that other student will get clarity. Hope informative to you. कोई भी query feel free to ask here, comment here, we can connect on LinkedIn. You can ask your query anywhere. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.